Welcome, Junior Takis. My name is Mrs. Ramla. This video is based on the section Animal Diversity. This is an exam question video, and this deals with question 1. Before you do the question, make sure you watch my theory videos, print the worksheet, and have the memo with you at hand. Right, let's get down to the question. Question 1. Study the diagram below and answer the questions that follow. If you look, there's 5 parts to this question, and this question is out of 16 marks. Right. The first question asks, which phylum do organisms A, B, C belong to? Now, what you must do is you write A, B, C, and then next to it the phylum names. Now, A, you can see, very important, is your crab, and this organism belongs to the phylum or Arthropoda. B is a segmented worm, that's the earthworm. B belongs to Annelida, and C belongs to the phylum Chordata. Now, 1.2. What are the advantages of an organism that has a bilateral symmetry? Now, bilateral symmetry, we know the organism has a definite head and tail. If there's a definite head, there's definitely sense organs with a very primitive brain or well-developed brain. So this sensory system, sense organs or nervous system will help the organism to look for food, find mates, or even escape from predators. Right. I have included the answer here in the memo, so you can have a look at it while we are discussing the paper. Right, 1.3. Give the letters of the organisms that show cephalization. If you can see, all these organisms have a definite head and tail, and all of these organisms have a brain and sense organs and antenna, as in A. So definitely 1.3, A, B, and C show cephalization, and as you can see, it's for 3 marks. 1.4. Give one advantage of having a high surface area to volume ratio. Now, a high surface area to volume ratio means as most of the surface is exposed to the environment. And the organism here does not need any special system or means to actually collect nutrients or, most importantly, gases. So this process can take place by diffusion. So any organism that has a higher surface area to volume ratio, they do not need a system to take in gases or nutrients, and so this process will take place by diffusion. Right, 1.5. Draw a labeled diagram of a triploblastic organism. Include in your diagrams what structure or system each germ layer gives rise to. Now, here you can see the outer layer is the ectoderm, and the ectoderm gives rise to the epidermis and the nervous system. Then, the middle layer, which I will just show you with the pink, that's the mesoderm. That's the middle layer. And the mesoderm, as you can see, will give rise to the body systems and organs and as well the nervous system. Now, the innermost layer, which is the endoderm, which I've colored in as well, will give rise to the digestive system or glands and the alimentary canal, which is basically the digestive system. So this is how you would draw the triploblastic layer, and these are the different systems that these layers give rise to. Thank you for joining me and watching your question 1 on animal diversity. Join me and watch all my other videos as well.